Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a fade blurred velocity edit in CapCut. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature on CapCut where you can easily add a velocity edit with some effects, and here's how you can do that. First, you need to prepare a clip and also the music that you want. Add it to your CapCut like this. Then click on the clip, click on the style menu at the bottom, then just swipe or click on the velocity tab, and in here you'll find there are lots of options that you can choose, but to have that fade blur you can just click on this fade blur velocity. Click on that. Then CapCut will detecting the music and generate the fade blur velocity to your clips. You can just wait until it finishes. Then the velocity will match the beats of the music that you add. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, so now the style has been applied. You can just click on a check icon and your video will be like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.